Hello guys, this is Praveen and you're watching Cyprotech. I have a package from Xiaomi. Let's quickly do the unboxing of Redmi 6 Pro phone. Let me cut the packing. On the screen guard it says Redmi Pro 6 12 plus 5 megapixel AI dual camera, 5.84 inches screen, and we have 4000 milliamp lithium ion battery. Let me keep the phone aside for a while. Let's see what we have in this. We have a user manual. Let me keep this aside. And here we have a transparent back cover from Xiaomi. It looks good to me. Let's keep it aside. We get a standard charger in the box. We also get a cable for the charger. The length of the cable is decent. It's a micro USB to USB cable. We also get a SIM card ejector tool. And we have nothing else in the box. Let me remove the screen guard. At one side of the phone we get to see the power button and volume rockers. At the bottom of the phone we get to see the speaker, mic and micro USB port. The other side of the phone we get to see the slot for SIM cards and micro SD card. At the top we get to see infrared sensor and 3.5mm port. Let me open the SIM card tray. We get to see 3 slots, 2 for nano SIMs and 1 for micro SD card. Let me keep it back. Let me power on the phone now. We are now on the home screen now. Let me go to settings. We have the latest Android version and we have 4GB RAM and 64GB of internal space. Let's check out the Android version. Here we get to see the Android Oreo. We get to see a couple of more inbuilt apps. We also get to see Microsoft related inbuilt apps. Let me take a couple of indoor pictures and videos. couple of pictures in landscape and portrait mode. Let me test the depth effect as well. Let me take the video. Let's take a couple of pictures and videos of a different object. These are the sample pictures and videos that I've taken outside. Please have a look at it. Let me quickly go through specs for Redmi 6 Pro. The screen size of 5.84 inches, comes with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 625 Android Oreo 8.5 version. We get to see two variants in the RAM, 3GB and a 4GB. We get to see two memory variants, one is a 32GB and the other is 64GB. 3GB RAM is for 32GB and 4GB RAM is 64GB. We get a slot with two nano SIMs and one micro SD. Coming to the camera, we get to see 12 plus 5 megapixel rear camera and 5 megapixel front camera. We have 4000 milliamp lithium ion battery. And talking about sensors, we get to see face unlock, fingerprint, accelerometer, proximity, compass, gyroscope, ambient light sensor. And we get to see 4 color variants, which is a gold, blue, black and red, and we have red with us today. The final verdict of the phone is value for money.